Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to stop scrolling. I have a huge problem with scrolling on TikTok. Like I can scroll on TikTok for like hours, like even like the whole day. Like I'm obsessed with TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I sort of like deal with that problem. This is kind of similar to the other video I made of like how to stop being lazy. You guys seem to really like that one, so I thought I'd make a video kind of similar to that. So let's get into it. Okay, number one, hide your phone. When I'm studying, I like to keep my phone like on the like other side of the room. The only time I get it is when the alarm goes off or like, I'm taking a break. But I mostly like to keep my phone like away from me because it's like I'm like tempted if the phone is like right next to me. I just feel tempted to use it like when I'm studying. So I like to keep it like, like over there because it's like far from here. So yeah, just like hide your phone. Okay, number two, write a to-do list or just like figure out what stuff you need to get done during the day. Just like, create like tasks for the day. Like right now I need to get this video done, and I also have some assignments that I want to get done before, school starts again, and tomorrow's no school, thank God. So just like, write down some stuff that you need to, get done during the day, and yeah. Okay, number three, read a book. I started reading this book. I have to read it for school, but it's actually a very like interesting and sad book. It's about the Columbine school shooting. It's really sad. It's really sad. Like when I'm reading it, I just feel so bad for everyone that was a part of it. But yeah, just like read a book. I personally like reading because I like imagining stuff like when I'm reading the book. So yeah. Okay, number four, time yourself. Like sometimes when I study I take breaks, and usually on those breaks I just go back to TikTok. So usually I like to like like be on TikTok for like a certain amount of time. Like I usually like time myself for like how long like I'm on TikTok, because like if you have an iPhone it shows you your screen time. So usually like I set a timer during my breaks for like how long like I go on TikTok for like a certain amount of time. Like you get what I'm saying? Like just like like don't like just like make sure you're not like spending a lot of time on like scrolling, like you know what I mean, like just like time yourself. Okay, number five, get rid of unnecessary notifications. This like tricks me all the time because like usually I get like so distracted by my phone because like it keeps giving me like unnecessary like notifications that are like not important. So just like get rid of those like notifications, just like even like turn off notifications. But like personally, some notifications are like important, so I don't really turn off my notifications, but just like get rid of like the unnecessary like notifications that I get because I get a lot of them and it distracts me like all the time. So just like get rid of them. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you were able to understand these tips. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. We're kind of getting closer and closer to 700 subscribers, so please anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.